Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cut a wooden plank using this reciprocating saw. So before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't subscribe right now. So guys, the very first thing you should have is proper protection, especially for your eyes, because when you use a saw like this and that moves automatically, when you press the button, it generates a lot of particles, and you never want, even in your wildest dreams, that should enter your eyes. So your eyes must be protected, similar to hands, and your feet should be covered with shoes, not like this is like ordinary shoes, but there are protective shoes you should have. And also you should have a clamp where you can hold the plank. Okay, this is my garage, not my workshop, that's why I don't have that here. But when you do it at your place, put lock this wooden plank in a clamp, because it generates a lot of vibration, and if it is not stable, then that means your cut is gonna move away from the trajectory. That's not what you want, at least initially. Okay, then you need a reciprocating saw with a blade. So this is a wood cutting blade, and this is what we are gonna use. Okay, so I'm gonna proceed. So guys, as I said, it's my garage and not the workshop, so I don't have clamp, but I have tried to make it steady. So it's better to put a line, something, because this will give you good practice also, and then slowly go. See, no time I reached from there. I lost the trajectory because as I said, it's not clamped properly. But once you get the grip and you press it and then you slightly move it, so it's gonna slice like you slice bread with a hot knife. So that's how it does it. Like if you have good grip and good tool, of course, like this is specialized blade, and that's how it moves. And I did it, although not in perfect shape because I lost the trajectory, but still it was better. You see, much better, at least this side. So that is how, guys, if you have good grip, you can do better cuts. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel.